Kakenun Menteri Kebelalong hakanya trip naiwing Arhajar Arpau kala ajeng menjor ban Shna ke jaka Jinghikai ke Dr. Mbbs ban pendap ke jing pulih ban yo ke kerdan spesialis. Usembut Menteri Rangba ke jela ba Preston Tensong ulong ba ke jela ke dan hapadeng ke jing duna jing doktor spesialis kumta ke Sorkar kala rai ban bo ke jaka Jinghikai ha ke bagi Dr. Mbbs ke yo ban pendap ke jing pulih ke Arsnem ban yo ke kerdan spesialis. Ulang bagi Sorkar kan pendut kumbaar keluar tengka na kebentawan Shna, yakni kejaka pulih bad an pendut kumbasan pusan ne hendro paulak tengka na kebentawan peniat bad ban Jinghikai yaki doktor. Uba Preston dan song ulang bahadu menta kejela keduna kumbasis pa arpungut ki spesialis ban jing sumar kerpang yaki nongpang balak milenti balang ba kejing don jongkene kejaka pulih on la ban penmi bongut ki spesialis ha kejela.
Those MBBS who wanted to continue in their study for specialization, they can do that. And then today, the proposal submitted by Health Department, it is approved that henceforth, those MBBS who wanted to continue their further studies within the state, the government will create and set up a training center which is recognized all over the state. And the duration of this training is for 2 years, not 3 years. It is 2 years term. And after completion of this training, they will be called a specialist. But of course, below the normal specialists, where they need to go outside the state in different medical college.
Kakenun Menteri Kelamanjur ban pentreka megi kendon jong ketenat penmi boarding hagawa ensiu ke bai jaka siditrai jaka. Tang hagabai dei ba gejing sim jaka ban penyang yagi tower. Hendrai hagabai dei bat ka right of way ne gejing penyat yagi sainar elektrik na kawai jaka skawai pat on siu shu ya bai jaka.
Like this, okay. I think you must have seen those main lines which is to be constructed in the form of tower, that tower. And the tower, you know, it takes maybe about 40 meters length and breadth. So the guideline says that those tower erected in that particular place, they are subjected to compensation. And when we talk about compensation, then the Land Acquisition Act will be applicable. This is what the guideline says. And the right of way means the wires which needs to go through maybe from one place to another place, because the height is quite high. They don't have to pay, because some states they are bound to pay, some states they are not. And now the guideline says that only that ROW, the ROW is only that tower. The erection of tower in that particular place, be it 10 numbers or 50 numbers or whatever, that has to be compensated.
Kakenun Menteri Kelamanjur ban penkelano eke Meghalaya Minor Mineral Concession Rules Arhajar Katnrio bansha eke jingti iki marpo kendau ki balatip kum ki minor minerals haki jaka rep ki bakentup eke jingti iki mauba ki siap ki kendau tangba ka deban long kebayat kat kum ki jing betha jong Sorkar jela bat ban yo shwa eke mining lease ne ka quarry permit. Nalor kaniela da kino ki brio ki basna ki yeng ki syam bagi dan ki mauba ki la banti ki ni ki mau ki badan hakajaka bante ki yeng bat ki la ru bande yaki.
Be it a boulder or be it any items. Sometimes, when I construct a house, suppose now I construct a house. So while taking up the land development, so I found out maybe a big boulders, big stones were there. So ultimately we have to break that stone, that rock, and then it becomes a boulder, and that boulder is considered to be incidental where it is allowed for transportation or for selling of that item.
Ke Sorkar jela Kelamanjur ke draft Meghalaya Procurement Preference Policy for Micro and Small Enterprises Arhajar Arpau hak ba ke Sorkar kan thiet gitar na ki karkhana ke badan ke jela. Uba Preston Tensong ulong bakat kum kaan ke barem ke Sorkar jela kelathiet tang shipau na ke shispa gitar na ki karkhana ke badan ke jela. Andrea ke jing penkrea ban penkla thamai no ya kene an on thiet no arpho na kasispa gitiar gitar ke bapmi da ki karkhana ke badan ha kejela. Usembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejela ulu ang mga Sorkar jela kala menjur kitarik syuti na kebenta kesenam arhajar arpuwei kabala penkrea da kepenat GAD bala menjur ke draft Meghalaya Nursing Council Rules arhajar arpau bat ke Meghalaya Nursing Regulation arhajar arpau ban penkelai ke Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority Rules syajar kendai spa kendai pupra. Hagba an penkio no ekutulap jengit khot ke Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority na kasilak syaka lailak tengka. Uba Preston Tensong luang baka kenhun menteri ke letai sani halor gejing penwandor ketenat labor bantau ki rule ke bedai bat ke Meghalaya Identification Registration Safety and Security of Migrant Workers Act arhajar arpau. Uba Preston Tensong luang baka ketenat labor kala penwandor ki rule bat ke kenhun menteri kala ai kejing menjor bat sisian bala penteri kami gini ki rule kan long kebedan kami ginong bala ban register ya ladi.
And this, once these rules is in place, implementation for registration of the laborers will immediately take off.
Usembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejela uba Preston Tensong uluang baka Sorkar jela kalong kebekloi banekren esok bat ka kenhun king atiar ke HNLC. Lara kanika kenhun ka sangi syuai ki kam penteri mbero. Uluang baka Sorkar klasim khiaba halor ki kam bean ki baja pok Kejela bat banele ban penduk jat igini ki kam senior. Ulang bang Sorkar kelada pekren bat ke Sorkar Pedeng bat baru akan syong hi ha ke Sorkar Pedeng ban Megarai halor ke jingkwa benekren esok bat ke HNLC.
We keep telling them, if you want to come across the table, please stop illegal activities. I think that is very clear. And number two, in fact, we have already taken up with the central government and let the central government decide on this issue as early as possible.
Ha kabede bagajing dawa pentreka meka inline permit na kaliang ba Preston Tensong ulang baga Sorkar kan sisya mardo rekarai na bakan hab banyo ya ka appointment bani kendo iki he jong Sorkar Preng bada uong la ka idon kam ke Sorkar kan pet la kalong badan kam ne em bandu meka jingyalang bat baro kisang san perthai ban chong perkhat kumno bani kran baga Sorkar Preng ha kabede bagajing dawa ya ka inline permit.
We have to also make an appointment with the concerned authority, with the concerned minister. So right now we are yet to do that. So I think CM is still working out on that.